If you want to enable notifications in Zapier, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your notification settings are saved correctly so you do not miss important updates. This is especially useful if you want alerts for activity, task updates, or any other account notifications inside Zapier. And before we jump in, if this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where your account and personal settings are usually stored, so it's the first place to check when you want to change anything related to notifications. After you click your profile, a menu should appear. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you into your main Zapier settings area where you can control profile options, account preferences, and notification behavior. Now that you're in Settings, look for the Notifications section and click on it. This is the area where Zapier keeps all the alert and notification preferences for your account. If you've ever wondered why you're not getting updates the way you expected, this is usually where the fix starts. Inside the Notifications page, click on My Notification Settings. This section gives you access to your personal notification preferences so you can decide exactly how and when Zapier should send you alerts. Next, look for the notification type you want to adjust and click Edit. Zapier may show different notification options depending on your account and what features you use, but the editing process is generally the same. The goal here is to open the specific notification rule so you can customize it. Once the edit window opens, find the frequency drop-down. Click it and select immediately if you want alerts as soon as something happens. This is the best option if you want to stay on top of updates in real time and never wait around for delayed notifications. After that, look for the priority label drop-down. Click it and choose the priority setting that matches your needs. Depending on what Zapier is showing in your account, this may let you filter which notifications are more important and which ones are lower priority. Choosing the right option helps keep your inbox cleaner and make sure the alerts you care about stand out. When both of those settings are configured, click Save. This is the final step, and it's important because without saving, your changes will not take effect. Once you save, Zapier should update your notification preferences right away. And that's it. You've now enabled and customized notifications in Zapier. If you followed along, you should now have your notification settings set the way you want, whether that means receiving alerts immediately or adjusting them by priority. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.